This video is for everyone who is already getting numbers, could be on the street, could be in bars, could be through dating apps, but then is not succeeding to convert these numbers into dates and into intimacy. So if you're in that position, keep watching. If you're struggling to even approach, you can watch some of my other videos that focus more on that. Okay, let's jump into here. Basically, this is a classical situation, right? I'm reaching out to the girl. She's immediately, as you can see here, responding within 1 minute. To keep it real with you guys, this happened very recently. 2nd of May, I did some approaching and you can see the results in this video. I'm making a joke because we met in the mall and it was raining and that conversation continued that way. Then here also similar example, I text her at 6:18, was a bit after the approach because I was actually doing an approach while coaching. So I had to coach my students and then after the session I had time to text her, but still within 18 minutes she responded. Here you can see 3rd of May. Then same day, 3rd of May, bit more of a cute creative opener here because she was just so sweet and I'm flowing with that, and she responds also on the same day. So this is obviously what you want, and then a lot of the time it doesn't go like that, right? Are these a little bit cherry-picked examples? Yes, of course, but as you can see here on the date, all of this happens within 24 hours. So I can definitely get a lot of responses myself when I go out and text girls. This actually even ended up on, I asked her the next day, tomorrow afternoon, let's get a juice or frappuccino, because that was she was drinking that when I met her and she likes it, and we ended up meeting the day after, and then even one day after we ended up doing a little photo shoot together. I have to blur her face here for privacy reasons, of course. Cool, that is my results. I'm getting similar results for my students as well. You can pause the video here and read that whole thing. I'm not going to read it to you, but basically it's a client who met this super hot girl on the street, and then he updated the group, the social transformation group, the mentoring group later, that he had a fun afternoon/evening with her. And another example here, one of my students, obviously going to blur this girl's face as well, somehow got a same day lay with a Russian babe, one of the hottest I've been with. Thought so, tell me days later she's married. Oh my god, she probably have the Russian mafia after me now, lol. So crazy results can happen if you know how to convert. So that's the point of this video. Let's go here and talk about why certain guys get results, they're able to convert, and others are not. And the key word here is the word investment. Let's make that nice and big. Investment. And we want to imagine if a girl is not invested in us, she's not going to go on a date with us. Now, the obvious question is, how do we create investment? And to keep it really short and simple in this video, I'm going to go way more into depth on this Sunday on an online workshop, which I can talk about a little more later. But in brief, kind of like overview, imagine 3 sections of meeting a girl, right? We have section number 1, which can be meeting the girl on the street, cold approach, for example. So that's like the first interaction. So we can build investment. We can build investment in here. Okay. Second part is the follow-up. So we're going to duplicate this here. Follow-up. So this is your texting, this is your Instagram. Third part will be, obviously, if it happens, the date. And in each phase, you are doing one of 2 things. Either you create investment or you reduce investment. So depending on your actions, you either lower your investment from her side into you, or you're creating investment. You can also say you add attraction or you lose attraction. She gets more into you, she gets less into you. It basically doesn't stay stable ever. Now, that being said, even on the cold approach, right, there are certain things that just don't create investment. So that could be you being too shy, too timid, bad posture, bad body language, awkward, like bad style, right? It could also be on the other extreme here, too pushy, too gamey, too inauthentic, you like using scripted lines. So somewhere in the middle here is the phase where she's like, okay, cool, I want to see this guy again. I'll give him my number. And you kind of move to the second stage, right? Makes sense? Now we're in the follow-up. Okay, this is huge. Obviously, the two ways of follow-up are either through text messaging, so call it WhatsApp, iMessage, Messenger, etc. So text messaging. The other one is social media, which basically will be 99 out of 100 times will be Instagram. Those are the two ways that you can follow up with a girl. If you have good texting, you create investment. If you have bad texting, you're going to lose investment. So again, here, there's areas where you maybe don't know how to text. You can create attraction through it. And then there is a way where you do know how to text. And then there's an area where you lose her, maybe too pushy, too horny. Your Instagram is really weak. She can't get to know you. Now here, from my experience working with hundreds of clients, this is unused attention. A lot of guys are not focusing on their Instagram. So what happens with you guys is you make a good impression on the street, in a bar, even on a dating app. And then you're losing her here. You're losing her in the texting phase. That's very, very common. I see that over and over. Let me know in the comments if that's also what you kind of struggle with. Because you're underusing almost like the real estate you have on an Instagram page, right? Real quick here, a little bit of a detour. But imagine this is like your Insta profile, right? You have your name, you have your bio, you have your profile pic. And then you have like, let's just say like 9 photos here, right? This is your website. This is your personal website. And you can almost see it as you met a girl here on Cold Approach and she has like, some interest. And then she's checking your website after the interaction and she's thinking, should I buy this product or not, right? Here she's unsure, but then she checks your website. And this is where this happens. This is where she's either getting more invested into you or she's like, nah, I don't want to spend 2 hours with this guy. Like if this is his life, if this is how he represents himself, if this is the people he hangs out with, if this is how he dresses, if this is how he sees himself, maybe you have just awkward selfies and no proud like headshot, then she makes assumptions based on this website of how the product, you, will be and act on a date. Very important point here. Okay, let's say you do have a good chat and, often, as you could see in my examples before, I don't use Instagram. I was purposefully choosing text message examples here because the conversation was good. So you don't always have to use social media, but I would say out of 100 approaches, let's say 40 of them go nowhere. 10 or 15 are really good and you can do text messaging, and everything else is better to go on social media to build investment over a longer period of time. Okay, you did a good job here. We're moving on to the dating stage. Now here again, where a lot of guys lose the game. They don't manage to create attraction from the girl. They either are too timid, they're not escalating, they're not reading her signals. They're talking too much, right? That's on this side maybe. Too much talking, too much escalating, being too eager, too pushy to take her home. Or too shy, only talking, not using any touch. You want to be in the middle here. You just basically want to be chill. You want to have a strong masculine frame. You want to touch her, but not too much. You want to respect her boundaries, but still move things forward. And, you know, it takes a little bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, maybe with feedback, then you can take her home. Let's try to draw a bed here. Oh my God, I'm so bad at drawing. This is a bed. Okay, so it's you and her in the bedroom. Okay, check, right? So as you can see, there is basically 3 layers. On Sunday, this Sunday, 18th of May, I'm going to go way more into depth in my approach to bedroom free online workshop. You can register down below right now. It's limited to 75 spots. So it's basically going to be a 90-minute presentation plus Q&A. So you have chance to ask me any question, and I'm going to go way more into depth, mainly about investment, about the different stages of dating, templates for text messaging and social media. So you will have practical tips and guidelines getting out of that webinar. So register now below. It is free. It's happening on Sunday, I think 6 p.m. CET. That's the goal, right? So if you've been struggling with converting numbers into dates and intimacy/sex, then this is definitely for you. Just wanted to explain that in this new format. If you like it, post below. Just trying things out. Got an Apple Pencil, want to make use of it. And with that being said, hope that makes sense, and see you in the next video. Peace.